How social media marketing can make you money. Social media marketing can be a very daunting task, especially if you are new to the process. Knowing what to do and not to do is the key to your success in this area. The tips given in the article below will help you to maximize your return on your social media marketing campaign. Take the initiative to follow your customers and reach out to them away from social media. If your customers have a blog and are posting about your company, engage with them and interact on their blog. Link to their content on your social media pages, and this will encourage more people to follow you from the blogger's fan base. Keeping track of comments, reviews, and blogs related to your business is an important part of social media marketing. There are many tools that you can take advantage of to alert you when new content about your business is posted. Keeping track of what others, particularly past customers, are saying about you is a great way to identify areas where your business could use improvement. It is also a good way to see which parts of your business have been effective. Your headline is crucial to a good post. Most social networks encourage you to keep your posts short, and if you were to post a long article, chances are no one would take the time to read it. Try posting a link to your article with a good headline that both grabs your reader's attention and explain what the article is about. Make sure all of your posts and articles have a Facebook button at the top. This button makes it easy for your readers to share your content on Facebook. Most people will not wish to share your content on Facebook if they have to go through copying and pasting a link. Add a link to your Facebook page or a like button with a Facebook feed on your blog or website. You can easily find HTML codes for these in the settings of your Facebook profile. This will allow your visitors to like your page and subscribe to your posts without having to look you up on Facebook. Do not neglect LinkedIn. LinkedIn is less popular than Facebook or Twitter, but you can find extremely influential users on this site. Add a LinkedIn share button on your articles, and chances are that someone who shares your content on LinkedIn will cause dozens of people to share it on other websites. Post links to other blog posts, and have bloggers feature your content on their website. This will work if you return the favor, and if bloggers see your blog as a good way to get publicity. Make sure there is no conflict of interest between you and the blogger who is going to feature you. As stated in the beginning of this article, social media marketing can be difficult if you are unsure of what direction to go. The tips above will be able to guide you in making the right decisions when you begin your social media marketing campaign. Use the tips to find success in your new endeavor. Check out our full training. Shortcut your way to profits and get faster results with this social marketing school. Click on this video's description link to get instant access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel.